Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes, Beginner Stock Talk. My name's Tuck, and we're going to be talking about Tesla stock tonight. Coming up, I'm going to cover what to expect for Tesla earnings call tomorrow. Also, we're going to be having some important questions, Q&A by us shareholders. They'll be asking some of these questions. Some of them these will be questions that will be answered during the earnings call, and that will be tomorrow. And some of the things might be like, is there going to be a stock split? What's up with the batteries and the gigafactories? The dates. And so hopefully, what's the possibility of these answers? Hopefully they'll get, or these questions, they'll get answered. And we also have, excuse me, some economic reports coming up tomorrow that could significantly affect the stock market, either up or down, depending on what happens and how it plays it out. But it could affect the overall stock market significantly. So Tesla closed at $918. In the morning, it was it went to $913, and then it went down to $910, and then it went all the way up to $950, and then it gapped down for the rest of the day to $918.40. And so reason being I'm saying this is it says it's a 1.25% move, and it was down $11.60. We've been seeing these massive swings happen over the last previous couple of days, and that's been really affecting some stocks. It affected Microsoft really bad. They had a really bad drop, but they did recover a little bit. So the overall stock market is like 70% red and 30% green, kind of, for me. Just expect to see some massive moves coming for these earnings calls for other companies too. You're going to be hearing some crazy numbers. And so what to expect for Tesla stock? What's the expected move on that? It's a 10% move, either to the upside or downside. So whatever the price of Tesla's at, it can get affected by at least $100, if not more. And all this stuff, the bigger news is Jerome Powell's going to be speaking, or he'll be having a press conference, and that's happening 2:30 Eastern Standard Time. It's happening at 11:30 for us people in LA, or in SoCal or California. And so there's been a lot of volatility lately just by watching some of the way these stocks move. And so whatever he says can really significantly affect the stock market. And I'm dead serious. I'm not kidding. Like, I'd like to make a joke about it, but I can't, because he's a powerful person. This earnings report will be happening after when the stock market closes, and hopefully we can see a spike. If we refer to the ticker symbol SPY, which is kind of like a stock, for people that don't know this, it's a stock that kind of like holds the stock market. It's a bunch of stocks in it, like Cathie Wood's ETFs, but like on a grand scale, and it kind of fluctuates, and that's what tells us where the market's moving overall. And so it's $434, and I think if it gets to $427, that's a critical point. And if it gets below that, and the sell-off can just get really bad, really ugly, really fast. So some of the questions that will be answered, or questions shareholders will be asking, is what's the current volume of the 4680 battery cells? Please update us on the in-house battery pack for housing. So that'll be interesting to hear. you know, these batteries are very vital because they have high range, they're cheap to make, and they recharge really fast. So another one is going to be, how's the progress of the 25K compact car? And so that's a $25,000 car we thought was going to come a couple years ago. And so if we get some positive news on that, that could really significantly affect the price of Tesla at the moment. You know, Tesla could just take over if those cars are coming out sooner than we think. Oh man. And so the other one's the stock split. And so what's up with that? One's like, are we gonna have one? Let's get some info on that. You know, they wrote, it's hard for to buy Tesla stock over $1,000 for us retail investors. So that was an answer that was written. And so we're in a bad position in the term of the overall stock market right now. So don't like freak out. Don't like do something bad. This will recover. I've gone through this 2 times already. So I know what it's like, and it gets really shaky and uncertainty, but you gotta just stick to a plan and your morals, fundamentals, things like that. That's what I would suggest. So the expected move for Tesla. Oh, the other questions are going to be about like Elon Musk's recent tweet about the Cybertruck. Said he was having a blast driving around in the Gigafactory in Texas today. So that's good news to hear. Yeah, so tomorrow Tesla could go up $1,000, or you know, we could see it go down to $840 or lower to $800 maybe. I've seen it on the code. So you know, if you like these videos, check me out or subscribe to Tuck Notes and turn on the notification bell. I'd really appreciate that. And if you like these videos, push the like button. All right, have a good night. Bye.